Welcome to my channel. Today's video about how to lock Facebook profile and how to unlock the Facebook profile as well. Check out the video. Go to the Facebook app. Now click on the menu option. Tap on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings. Now under the privacy option tap on the profile locking. Head over to lock your profile. Now you will see a screen which will show you locked your profile, i.e. only friends can see the photos and posts on your timeline including your full-size profile picture and cover photo. And to unlock the profile click on the lock icon. So this is how you can lock/unlock your Facebook profile. Please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.